YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. One more cut. And we have here it's coming from alright, 7 Sparta upgraded cup holder expander. Ooh. So if you need your coffee cup extended, this would be a good one to get, guys. Ooh. Got a big daddy size. So another nice gift to give to your father or somebody that drives a lot. Give to yourself. Install guide. Take a look inside. Ooh. Fit those like extra large big gulps. So you could tighten it into your cup holder. This will keep it in place for its spilling. Wow. This must be spill mat. This must go on the bottom or something. Definitely not a lid. But I think it goes maybe at the bottom. Yeah, there you go. Shove it in the bottom. You can wash it if you want. We'll hop in the car in a second and show you guys. I'm not sure if I have any cup holders, and I have small ones, but it's a big. You got definitely a big gulp, 40 ounce. But don't drink it dry if that's that good. But you could definitely supersize your coffee, your shakers and everything. You could fit those shakers in here. I'm sure there'll be a lot of good sizes you could fit. Slurpees, the big gulp. Alright, there we go. And they got the logo right there. Pretty cool. Bottom, and we'll be back. Alright guys, here it is. Got it installed. Easy to put together. Gotta put it in. And it is pretty deep. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is what it is. So you can put any size coffee cups into your. So really cool. Check them out, Sparta. Link is down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.